Super quick video today. We didn't get to spend as much time on production as I hoped I would, but I did get to spend at least 15 minutes, and we worked continuously on the Japanese house here. One thing we did was kind of reformat things. I went and listened to some other house songs that I liked. Go like, okay, how do they actually like work through? Kind of the way we've done with drum and bass in the past, where we'll like listen to a piece and like draw out a chart of how they do the song. I did a little bit of that, just a little bit less formally, less written down, and more just kind of like going by ear and writing down some notes on my phone. If you saw the track yesterday, this little bass sample from the original song had kind of a section over here just for 8 bars, and it didn't kind of make sense with the way the house music is usually structured. Now there's just 16 bars of beat. Halfway through, I have a little turnaround. A little bit of an extra sound there to make it sort of interesting. That's just all handle, and then we swell up into our first little guitar sound here. Or whatever that is, I'm not quite sure what it is. And that builds for 16 bars, and then we go into the vocal sample. And then the only thing I like really added today was a bass line. I experimented with a few different bass lines. I think I'm gonna roll with this one for now. There's a lot of different ideas that could really work well here. This sound is so like wonderfully tonic, but while also just being all kind of high end, leaves the low end very, very open there. And when you put a bass with it, you can do like all sorts of different progressions. Like I'm gonna turn the bass up here, but like you could really easily do like 2, 4, 1, 5 here, like. Or you could do kind of more what they do. There's genuinely so many things you could go with. What I chose for now was this sort of like 4, 1, 6, 5. These little turnarounds at the end. Dun 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 da da do 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 da da do 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 da da do 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 dun dun da. I still don't know though if I want to have the chords start here. I do think this is a really good bass sound that's very similar to the bass sound they have, but is a little bit cleaner than the separated bass stem that Logic gave us here. So, but I could totally see this piece still just here just rolling into that. It doesn't need bass right there, so like maybe save the bass a little bit longer, but I don't know, that kind of deviates from the roadmap I was seeing from other house tracks. So still learning here. That's all I have time for today. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.